Right now, the market cap of our token is $3,500. And right now, my wallet looks like this. $1,274. And in this video, we're not going to be buying any tokens. We're not going to gambling. We're going to be creating the tokens and using the new method to make the money from rug pulls on the Solana network. So watch this video till the end. This method has been around for about 2 to 3 weeks, and now is honestly the perfect time to try it out and earn some Solanas. And now you might be wondering, how the fuck this method any different from the usual ones like one used on the Pump.Fun? So listen to me right now. The difference is, with the Pump.Fun you have to gain around 200 holders and build something like $30,000 or $40,000 market cap for your token just to grab attention. But with our method, your token immediately shows up on a DEX screener, attracting big time buyers, aka whales, who loves to grab new meme tokens in hopes of hitting of thousands of X's. So now let's get started with creating our own token. So now let's move to the solmeme.com. That's the website where you can create your own token. Here's actually running a giveaway right now. If you create a token using their service and send proof to their support, you'll enter a draw for 5 Solanas, which is around $600 or $700. So just connect your Phantom wallet right now, then click on a create token. You have to write token name, symbol and logo. To make these things easier, let's grab the successful example from the DEX screener. Take for instance the token circle, Gorso Rust. We copy its name and symbol and paste them into the solmeme.com. Leave the decimals as a 9 and set the total supply to 1 billion tokens. Then just copy the tokens logo, screenshot it or upload it, doesn't matter. Next scroll down and copy the token description from the DEX screener and paste it on the solmeme.com as well. Then you can add on this website creator info and social links. This will make your token to look more legitimate and increase the chances of people buying it. So now let's activate the following 3 options, which is revoke freeze, revoke mint and revoke update. This really boosts your token chances. To be look real. Phantom will ask for its confirmation. And now if you see the red warning as me, don't worry, that's a normal. Solmeme just hasn't fully integrated with the Phantom yet. So as you can see, it's all okay. You'll be charged 0.4 Solana for launching the token. So it's all okay. Then just confirm the transaction and within the 10 or 15 seconds your token address will appear. If you open that Phantom wallet, you'll see that the token is not appeared yet here, but it will appear in 3 minutes I guess. Now let's go to the liquidity pool section in Solmeme, choose Solana, the base token, and the quote token. Just paste the address that you have been copied before. Just enter your token's name and symbol again, and just click on the add user token. So now let's just set the Solana amount to 2.5, set the token amount to 1 billion, and set the fee tier to 3%. And just click on the initialize liquidity pool, approve your transaction. It will cost 0.2 Solana, and it's done. Liquidity pool just created. Just copy the address, go to the DEX screener and paste it here on the search and boom! You see that our token is just listed right now. Of course you'll see early snappers buying in, and also important to mention, it could take some time for the token to be appeared on the DEX screener. Now we can just wait. You can also buy any like DEX screener ads, promote your token on the Twitter, post regularly to boost engagement, do YouTube videos, any ad, any TikTok videos, doesn't matter. But I'll just check back in 4 minutes. After a few minutes we see some solid buys, $43, $36, market cap has reached $551. Let's just wait for some time also. Market capitalization right now is over $100, and as you can see the price is at $1,300. So now let's just wait for maybe 5 minutes also. For now let's just check our liquidity pool. Just go on the Radium, click on the standard. You see that the liquidity is not created yet. So now let's just wait for maybe 2-5 minutes. Market capitalization right now is $2,700. That's a huge right now. And you see that the some players is now just selling. So now let's just wait for some time. So now let's go to the Radium, click to the portfolio again. Then on the standard, click on the minus button, choose amount as 100. And as you can see, right now I can take just under 8 Solanas. And let's just check our token right now. And you see that the capitalization right now is $3,700. So now let's go back to the Radium, choose the amount as 100%. And in just 20 minutes, we made profit, which is about $800 from my starting balance. Just click here on the remove liquidity, just click on the approve button, and just like that, I've completed a successful rug pull. If we look at the final transactional chart, we see that the remove entry, meaning the liquidity was withdrawn and the project is now effectively dead. I'll leave a referral link in the description, and it will give you a 10% off when creating your own token. Wishing you the best of luck with your rug pulls, and take care.